that alerted me there's trouble. They say love is blind, but to me I clearly saw the man of my dreams waiting at my door. I never saw the rain and storm heading my way. My head's so buried in the clouds, a dreamland far away. I never saw the rain and storm heading my way. The prettiest dress, a bag to match, and shoes to display. A feeling of contentment, felt proud of things he'd say. There in the doorway wearing a suit, well, the proudest moment which I felt, my head would surely swell. Taken by the hand, led me to his car. Where was he taking me? A land from afar. I never saw the rain and storm hitting my way. My head's so buried in the clouds, a dreamland far away. I never saw the rain and storm heading my way. I woke the next morning, a message on my phone, thanking me for the night we had spent alone. But then the words came clear, I could barely take it in. I'm sorry to do this, and here he did begin. My head told me one thing, my heart not very clear. It wasn't what I wanted, I panicked with fear. He just wasn't ready, he'd no time for love. A stake through my heart, reading the words up above. I bowed my head in shame, felt such a fool, taking me for granted, a forbidden